3 easy ways to boost your phone's gaming performance. 1. Battery optimization for apps. 2. Clean app caches. 3. Stop unnecessary background apps. These tips are particularly for Android. I believe you could find alternative steps or apps for iPhone as well. First step, go to Phone Settings. Search or select Battery. Under Battery Settings, find Battery Optimization. Some phones it could be mentioned as high background power consumption, etc. Tap on it, then enable background consumption. Here, we can enable high background power consumption for specific apps so that the CPU and system don't limit performance for those apps. I'm enabling it for Call of Duty Mobile. Similarly, in most phones the option would be as Battery Optimization. Here we tap on the apps, and then select Don't Optimize. Keep in mind to set Don't Optimize or else the game would be limited for power, CPU and GPU. Second step. We go to Play Store and type Cache Cleaner. Tap Search. I have already downloaded this app. And download the One Tap Cache Cleaner by AZ Softs. Open it. Select this blue cleaner icon. Here you can see cache memory for all apps. Now tap on the yellow cleaner icon. Tap on it again. And tap on it once again. Now we'll get a pop-up to enable accessibility in settings. Tap on Yes. It will take us to the accessibility settings. We scroll down to find the app. In some phones these apps would be under downloaded services. Select One Tap Cleaner and enable it. It will prompt again to confirm. Tap on Allow. This process is automatic. If it doesn't start to clean the cache on its own, just disable and re-enable it in accessibility settings or press back. It should clear cache for all apps automatically. Now we just wait for the process to complete and don't touch anything on the phone. This process should run in the foreground, so do not minimize nor tap back button. Wait until all of that cached memory is cleaned, then you can close this app after this process is completed. For the third step, we again go to the Play Store and search for Stop App. I have also downloaded this app beforehand. Then download this app by Boot Studio. Open it. Here you can see all the open apps. You can also select some of the running system apps. Scroll down and tap on Boost. Again we'll receive a similar pop-up to enable accessibility for this app. Tap on Go to Settings and enable the accessibility for this app. This time we are enabling it for Force Stop app. Enable it. Tap on Allow. As you can see, this process is also automatic. We just have to wait until all the apps are stopped. After this is over, when we tap Exit, we get a pop-up that we have to always re-enable the accessibility permission before we can use this app again. Now you can just swipe, close any open or minimized apps. If you have built-in game booster like this one, open and select appropriate options like disabling notification, brightness lock, auto rotate off, etc. Some experts also recommend to restart device before gaming as it solves minor system issues and refreshes phone. There are few other tweaks available in developer options. That's for another video. That's it. Now open your favorite game on your phone and let us know in the comments if these steps were helpful to boost your phone's performance. Would appreciate if you support the channel by liking and subscribing. Happy gaming on Android.